Hello everyone, welcome back on Nested Mango channel. Guys, I'm Ramkesh Singh, senior Unity developer, YouTuber and blogger. So in this video, I'm just going to share with you our 3D print ready collection. Basically, we also work on the 3D games, environment, 3D characters, so many stuff related to game, but we also work on the 3D print ready models. And initially we were not in the 3D print, just we get some clients, then we started working on the 3D print, and it was really exciting journey. So we thought to create own stuff as well as for the clients. So let me show you a few amazing stuff first of all from our portfolio. So here you can see this is our tab for the 3D. Basically we have created some toy models, you can see, and you can see this is not a single. Basically we have created almost 8 to 9 with the different emotion. You can see every emotion is different. Okay, so that's really amazing and so beautiful. And here we have also done few stuff and many things which is not updated here. This model we had also created, just one client from US share with us the picture and then we created this design. So it is a bit custom, like client was shared something and then we had to write some different text here, so that thing we perform. And this thing comes from we created few builds for the client from the UK, and after that we created many modes for our collections. And now we have so many collection. I will also show you on, there is one website which is really very popular in the 3D world. So currently we did for client for a few, but after that I really love it. So we created many more for the footballs we had created. Let me show you on the cults. So most of people know about the cults. Basically here you can it is a store where you can publish your models and people can buy and then you can get some revenue. Okay, so we have created this one and we have many more. So here you can see we had created this one for Santa Claus, and here we have created this one. Basically it was really very demanding, so we created this one, and this is the WWE spinning championship belt plate. And we have also created this one, that is, you can see it is also WWE champions belt. We have also created for the football, you can see FFL champ. It was also demanding for client. Basically this was demand on the, like, people get my social media account and then they directly message us that what they need, so we created for them. So many stuff we have created for them, and it really very time taking process. Like you can see the font or just upward, so it is not like you can, there is two way to do this thing. Like you can do with the hand, but that is very much time taking process and it will really not worthy, because it is not really very expensive to sell. But we use 2D image to generate this kind of work. And for the Halloween we created this, and this was a little expensive, so we just divide it in multiple parts so that people can access very easily. So that's it, and we are planning to do very much on the 3D print, and it might be we get some printers, as well as we are planning to just create many more models. And if you are really love to print the models, you have the printer, you want us to create something custom for you, so please DM us, we will love to work with you. And we are also planning to create few stuff which is not from client, just we will look for, and then there are few built are left, so we are also working on that. Soon it will be updated with much more 3D print ready models. Okay, so that's it, and let me know in the comment that how is our 3D print ready models. And soon I will share few more stuff related to our Nested Mango. So basically we are working in the 3D work as well as in the game development, AR VR development. So slowly we are also working on the 3D. Basically we really love it, and clients share with us, like when they print something, so they share with us so that how it looks. I think one client share, I am not able to see in which, let me show you. He print that thing, David, and then he share with us. You can see this is our you can say STL file, and then after color they create the belt, this kind of belt, and this was shared from the client. Means he have purchases from here, and after that he share on the Facebook. Basically they connect with us. So it's really very exciting to work with all over the world. People are loving our models, so it is really proud moment for us. So hopefully you also enjoy to see our some work. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you in next video with some exciting stuff, or might be some tutorials. So bye bye, take care. And one more announcement, like we are launching 3 courses. One will be with related to WebXR, one will be 2D game development, and one will be for creating 3D models. So you can also stay connected on our Udemy, and we have also started to teach on online classes. So if anyone are interested in the game development, AR VR development, as well as on 3D modeling. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.